So to check your TRACKROD ends, what you want to do is hold one tyre and move the other tyre, and as you can see, that's how much play we have got in these track arms, which is no good. So we'll be showing you now how to remove and replace. Also, another way how to test is by shaking your steering arm. When you're shaking your steering arm, if none of the wheels are moving, you've definitely got some problems. On the Polaris Predator 500, you have two TRACKROD ends, one on each side, one towards the inside and one on the outside, due to the Pro steering system it has on this model. So what I do is I spray some WD-40 on the bolt to get it ready to remove the pins. First, remove the split pin. Okay everyone, so we've got one TRACKROD end, two TRACKROD ends. What I'm going to try doing is remembering how many turns I got when I replace them with the all balls racing tie rod end kit for a Polaris Predator. So because we've got 4, I had to order 2 sets. We need these for later. Let's put these aside. They don't look like they don't sound like they've got much grease in them, to be fair. I'm sure they're supposed to have less play than that. Let's check the state on these old ones. Oh my days. Any longer and I'm guessing these would have popped out of the socket. So let's start with the top front one. 1, 2, 3, 17. Right, so 17 turns for this one. So what I'm going to do is take the nut off, because it doesn't come with a new lock nut. Put the nut on this one. Oh, okay. This might not be the left hand thread one, it might be this one. Let's try if it goes on this one. Yep, so it goes on this one. So one of them's a left hand thread and one of them is a right hand thread. So it didn't go on this one, so all I'm going to do is put that one on that side. Let's tighten that up. What did we count? 16. 1, 2, 3, 15, 16. I think it was 17. 17. Right, okay. Now let's lock that up. We're going to have to retract the quad anyway.
It's not a game.